think he's got a girlfriend at the moment.
Oh, nice job, dickhead.
Oh. Ka-chink. New build?
Yes. Ah, fucking
Oh,
asshole.
Jesus.
You cock-sucking ball bag. Ugh. Because you're a fucking mong. Oh, what are you doing, mong girl? Oh, you want to go across because you're a stupid bitch who can't plan her own lane. Yes, stupid person.
Go.
Fuck knuckle. They could care less as long as someone else bleeds. So darken your clothes, I'll strike you by every post.
Don't rush now.
I'm not rushing you.
Ancestry. Thank you. Ancestry.
Yeah, good idea, dickhead. I guess you want to go left because you're a dickhead. I guess you just want to go left because you're definitely a dickhead. Definitely a dickhead. No fuck. Bunch of pricks here too. Pricks! Fuck off, pricks! Fuck off, pricks! Oh, another fucking one.
One of them's her off days, the other two she's working, so it's kind of like, no, two's her off day, one she's working. So it's kind of like,
Get in your own fucking lane, asshole. Own lane, asshole. Asshole. You don't have right now. Come on, you clown. Fucking clown. I said, what's this prawn bag doing? Clown. What a clam. Assholiness.
No.
Hey, you knew that was happening, didn't ya?
down the other end. They're all good. You got all the way around the outside, I suppose, if I wanted to. Actually, I'll just sit here like a prick and get pulled out of my prawn. Just gonna sit there now like an absolute asshole.
You won't?
Nah, giving ways for the weak, dear.
It's like
Chill.
we kind of all went back into like
Hammer,
our,
just fucking pull out of me, you fucking wanaroo. As the battle reached time, you fuckwit. You asshole. There you go too. Jesus. Jesus.
yeah.
Well, thank God my dad's automatic broke down.
Oh, you fucking lunatic! Asshole bus bucket! Prick! You're on film, you shitbag! Good job, dickhead. I mean, I know those white lines are pretty scary.
It's expensive.
Buttface McGee!
Which one?
That guy in front of us. In the right-hand lane now. He's starting the left-hand lane.
Another one.
What a clambag McGee. Is he gonna fall off the road now?
Yeah, don't get too close to him. I was stoned or something.
Maybe his stone is missing the road.
Let him go right ahead of us, darling. It's amazing. And he said, what's it worth now? I said, probably 3.
Fuck, what are you doing? You're gonna fuss with your fucking light on and not do anything. Either fucking go or don't go, but don't sit there like a cockhead.
I'm just worried they're going to run into you.
I am worried. And then
Yeah.
they don't go, they just sit. You think, what the fuck are you doing? You just fucking sit there like a dumb shit.
There she is.
Come on, Dap. Around the
Well,
corner.
she wanted to go all the way over there.
Yes.
So why were you in this lane, you
Because
silly
they're
cow?
a total jerk nose.
You'll be the one disassembling his and taking his to his house. Not me.
100%.
I will not be touching it. He's, oh, Jesus. Really?
I don't even care, dear.
No.
Asshole! What did he think he was doing?
Yeah, I know. I'd watch him. I wouldn't go behind him. I'd change lane. Just
Where am I?
It stays in its lane.
They all stay in the fucking lane. This Chucky McGee doesn't try to kill me. This L plater doesn't try to pull out on me.
It's the instructors here, hopefully.
Holy shit! Get out of my lane.
What the fuck are you doing?
Do you exist?
Yeah.
This is all. That's all we need. We don't need to.
No.
Oh, you father mucking truck bag.
Click, click.
He went from. Asshole.
Oh, yeah. Faster back.
Fucking
Cut him
hell.
off.
Hey. Dipshit. Total fucking dipshit.
Massive amount of that to go and do. So many nice touring. You friggin' idiot.
Of course, it's a friggin' idiot, dude. Asshole.
Their daughter has always been a really good friend of Brianna's. She's her matron of honour there.
Maid of honour.
Maid of honour, yes. That's
Asshole.
I'm assuming she's maid of honour.
Really made it.
I know.
That way or that way? Which one do you want?
That one. Try that way. That way. It seems busy, that laundromat. I've seen people there.
Oh, come on, you penis brain. And you're doing a U-turn because you're a fuckwit. That's the kind of stuff. It's a person turn there. There's a U-turn there. Why? There's a roundabout right there. No, it's very misleading.
Do you have any pleasure?
Oh, look over there.
Check over here. Do you happen to have a bucket or a hose proof?
Oh, fuck.
I need to
Knuckle
get one
bucket.
ASAP.
The hell is that?
Are you pretty parched?
The fuck is that?
And I'm